College Buni Fibro, kajing betip namta gitu kiba apply namta kan ka post MCS kabalat yang ka MPSC teka ineligibility list namta kane kalame tesakan mau check na po official website teki egi jonon kam namta kane tesa check I kateng jong lade apidon em hakata ka ineligibility list nala pidon hakata ka ineligibility list teki na ipore pi hadu 100 Oktober ban file representation namta ki ba penlong in ba eligible biang sesen tegi bomi kerteng hangne modba kilong bai eligible namta kane man appear namta ka exam ka banong 3 November arja apply sa check sa page apo official website jong ka mpsc.nic.in this is sa check na po official website so kane ka advertisement ka notice. This is for general information that the application of the candidate whose name are listed below in respect of the above mentioned posts are proposed to be rejected for the reason mentioned again each. If no representation is received on or before the last date, the application of the ineligible applicant shall be treated as rejected. Tengok hadu unta kimpat shall reject. Tikin ai pore pi ban file representation tel da pi file but kin submit bade hang ta kilis session kibala banlong eligible. Kumta kai tapi haban file. All candidates are requested to log in to MPSC recruitment processing application RPA and upload representation from file representation against rejected application link. Submission of document / filling of representation in another mode will not be accepted. Teka day batch online batch piapan late biha po ka official website or request to log in piap log in teka don katu ka maso recruitment processing application RPA piap upload hang tu namta ki document ki don kam piap shana bi ka we ka document pendap ki in PDF file batch ki document ki ban piap ban compile biha kaju be iki dokumen kiban support ya kata ka ba sha mi ineligibility list. All supporting document are to be attached in PDF format haka PDF batch sa upload hangta phab login ma aka wi video ro ngada ban penmi ba balai kimi rejected list and kimi ineligible list nomor ba claim pendap bah ka profile ka jong phi phaban update batch man kapor te kiton lagi jong ta kadau kimi be kumne ta kada ki bom ju pendap bom ju update di profile sekan mau warna update di qualification di tarik dah pendap bahai baro. The last date for filing of representation is up to 16 October 2023. Hadu kan tarik jong Oktober arja apply. Application code, name of candidate, reason. Te baro candidate ki bas mi ineligibility list ki don kumba pras pa tamai ti ki don lagi jong gidau ti sekan mau check. Hangne ki don overage la has name palat. Then overage and clarification required whether SSA is a government permanent post. Kumta hab clarify kemahi pendawang tu ba kane ka SSA kade ka government permanent post ne kade ka contractual. Overage clarification required regarding date, month and year of passing. Tapi hab yo hak tu ka profile ka jang pi claim pendap bahai ka iki name banai lane ka year of passing jong ka degree tapi haban qualify yang teban lai kata phaban submit ki jinon kam pi jong ka degree ki certificate ki admit card ibaro compile laju man support sa submit dai kita bun ma ki ba claim clarification required on date, month and year of enrollment ICE tesa check la ka jong ma don clarification on date, month and year of passing degree level kita ro hab don kam ka clarification yo pa claim pendap ha bada ka tu ka profile ka jong pi ta ka don kam te kidon kiba overage kidon kiba underage kamta la ka jong te sa check bah la da pilong overage ne kano kadur pilong underage kano kadur pilaban file representation kidon will so under qualified be pumla ban qualified te kitu yo ba claim pendap ade ha po official website claim pendap iki degree ki jong pi te pihak ka under qualified dari la da pi pendam pi yo ba de qualified te kata pilaban file representation pin la ban yo biang session nero under qualified te haban file representation ban yo qualified la pila pass ya ka degree itu kita apply sekan mau ban check ban leh po official website mpsc.nic.in login bahasa pendap bahasa le ka ban kam nam ta kan la da ko ban tho exam jong ni ka prelim ka ban long hau sau tarik jong November ka ba penmi po official website hi ka tarik of examination jong MCS te gibun ma te sa check list kidon hadu kumba pras pa tam e baro te baro gidon hadu pras pa khandai te gidon underage clarification on date, month and year of passing degree level, date, month and year. Okay maka jong idau te sakamo ka last date kede khandru Oktober ban verify nam ta gini ka last date ba pinyo eligible biang session te tanggi ni kijung tip matrai fil asai selek ya kabron kam kulishun